This is an Amazon unboxing. Some things I got from Amazon. If you haven't followed my videos, I'm cleaning my kitchen for spring, and I picked up a few things to kind of organize it and make it better. And some things that, well, I had a couple things break. So here we go. Here we go. First of all, I picked up these because mine broke, and these are amazing. They hold your Ziploc bags when you fill them for freezer meals. And they're so amazing. I used mine until it broke. And I had it for years. So I picked up these. They now come in a pack of 2. Then I've been cleaning my cabinets. If you haven't seen those videos. Yeah, I've been working. It seems like it's been forever. Cleaning my cabinets. Cleaning out my craft room. And my extra bedroom, because I've been jumping around. I get bored in one area and then I move to the next. Well, I got this. It's however you say that. And it's a little thing. It's supposed to hold your silverware, but I'm wondering if it'll fit. Let's see. It does. And then I have these. Let's see what small things I can put up here. That won't fit. Oh, and there's a fork. I think it'll work perfect. Then I'll put the rest of the stuff just in the cabinet. In the drawer. Then I'm gonna let this go. This is old and I just can't get it where it looks clean. Even after I clean it. I bought this. This is supposed to organize your Ziploc bags. If you watch me trying to organize where my Ziploc bags went, they were kind of a mess. And I thought, well, I'd give this a try. I got drink mix in there. I have two different sizes of bags in here. I guess I should separate those out. And they all got bundled all together. I'm going to put the short ones on one side and the longer ones on the other. There we go. Now let's see if we can get them all in. Let's see if we can get them all tucked in. I may have to take some of these out. Get them all in after all. And I may put this in the what I call the snack drawer, because all's in there right now is oatmeal. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna slide this in my snack drawer. The clips on each end of that, even after taking a lot of the the gallon Ziploc bags out, it doesn't fit right. I don't think I'd buy that again. And last but not least, I bought some more Angry Orange stain remover for pet odor.